Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from Android to PC without cable. So let's get started. First of all, go to your phone and download Wi-Fi FTP server from Google Play Store. After downloading the Wi-Fi FTP server, open the Wi-Fi FTP server and then click on Start. Now you're going to have to allow access to manage all files. And then as you can see, we have some information like server URL, user ID and password. So these are the details we are going to need in order to set up our FTP server in the computer. Now let's go to our computer and then you'll have to go to this PC. After you open this PC or my computer, right click on it and then click on add a network location. After this window pops up, select next and then choose a custom network location and then select next again. Now we are going to enter the network address which was shown in our app. After entering the address, click on next again. And now uncheck the log on anonymously and then enter username which is shown in the app. Click on next and now type down any name of the network. After naming your network, click on next again and now click on finish. And now we are going to enter the password that was shown in the application. And now check save password and click on log on. And now I'm opening File Manager from my phone and showing the internal storage. As you can see, both of the screens have identical folders. So that's how you can set up your FTP server and transfer photos from Android to PC without cables. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.